Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lama and this is Crayfix with Lama. On today's video we are doing a continuation of the Mombasa vlog, just a bit of it until we came back to Nairobi. As you can see, the last few days are just raining. Like Mombasa was raining heavily, not the kawaida rain that leaves you feeling a bit warm. It was cold and raining, but yeah, we tried to manage the few days that were remaining. We went out for lunch and we wanted to try out this restaurant, Chop It. I think it's called Chop It. They have this meal called the Shake Shaki, so we really wanted to try it out, and it was really nice. Those are their prices. Yeah, so you're served I think fries with a mix of beef or chicken depending with what you want. Then there's a salad and sauces, then you shake it. As you can see, my husband is doing that, shaking it. Then once you shake it, you eat it. So as you can see, I was trying to open this carton. So yeah, inside it looks like that before shaking it. This is before shaking. Then you shake, and then there's a mix of the salad and the meat and everything. Guys, let me tell you, when I tell you Mombasa rained, it rained. A few minutes into lunch, it started raining again. So we tried to salvage our activities. Our plan was to do a lot of water sports and all that, and yeah, for the kids to have fun. So what we mostly did was, just because we couldn't do all that, we just went out for lunch, then went back home for movies. Now yeah, after the few days were done, we went back home. This is us on our way to the train station. So we really wanted the kids to experience both sides, the train, because this was also their first time on the train, and yeah, and also their first time flying, as you had seen on the previous video. Yeah, so yes, these are the views. It was still raining cats and dogs, and it was actually cold, not the kawaida Mombasa rain with the where it's always warm. This time it was cold. So yeah, we had already checked in here. We decided to go on first class, and it was actually very comfortable. Yeah, we ordered a few snacks to have on the way. And guys, this chicken sandwich I wouldn't recommend. If you don't like minced chicken, this is a no for you. Yeah, so I had downloaded a few movies and watched them throughout the way. Back home now, a few days later. This was actually the next weekend. We were on our way to a rally event. If you like rally, guys, then I'm sure you're going to enjoy this bit of the video. So this is just us on the way to the rally event. It was being held at People's Park, Machakos. So yeah, enjoy the car ride with us. Guys, on our way there we stumbled into the Machakos White House. As you can see, it's so beautiful. Yeah, and the compound really looked nice. I think this is the office of the governor, this of the governor of Machakos. This is where the office is, as per my knowledge. Yeah, so we finally reached. This is the way to the People's Park. So yeah, we finally reached, and yeah, this is how the place looked like. And yeah, we took a few videos, as you will see on the next clip.
Years later.
So guys, if you've reached this point, have you subscribed yet? Have you? I've been working on vlogs so far. Kindly tell me in the comment section if you like such videos, or you prefer cleaning videos, or I should just combine the rest. Also, I wanted to plug you on this wine. It's so good. It's a red sweet wine, very nice, served chilled. I really loved it. It was so good. You can actually find it in supermarkets, and it's actually very pocket friendly. Hope you screenshotted the picture of the bottle. Days later, we decided to go check out the giraffes. This was actually on Madaraka Day, so we went to Giraffe Center, and this was actually our first time there. The car distance is actually long, so we used Google Maps to get there. Yeah, so as you can see, we were in the suburbs. You can actually tell tulikuwa suburbs. Yeah, ushaingia to place and the air changes. Yeah, that's the feeling when you enter Karen. But yeah, back to Giraffe Center we reached. Yeah, and you just park outside there. You enter, you wash your hands, then you pay, and then you proceed to where you're given this to, I think it's compressed grass. Yeah, so this is what you will feed the giraffes. We were so excited. It was such a fun experience. But guys, if you're planning to go to Giraffe Center, don't expect to spend the whole day there. It's let's say at least 30 minutes thing. So you just feed you reach, you feed the giraffes, and you're out. You are there for just 30 minutes. I would say 30 minutes. Yeah, so don't think you'll go there and spend the whole day there. So yeah, this is us feeding the giraffes. It was actually an interesting experience. What I would say is the tongue is actually rough. My son was not scared of them. I was so happy. He was just feeding them well. So yeah, this is they were actually full. When they get full, they just leave you there. They go. And guys, do you know Giraffe Center is actually next to the Giraffe Manor? If you didn't know, now you know. Also, we have 3 types of giraffes: the reticulated giraffes, Rothschild giraffes, Maasai giraffe. The difference is on the patterns of the spots on their bodies. Yeah, then after Giraffe Center we decided to go to lunch. This was at the Hub, the roast by Carnival. We had to try out the meat. It was okay. There's nothing much to say about it. Then we took our baby to play. He rode the cars there, so he just had fun, and yeah, we decided to end the day there. So guys, this is the end of our vlog. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you've reached to the end. Please be sure to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.